My channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm going to show you where Rndr is more than likely headed to. We're going to see if this pullback is done and talk about some price targets here. All right, I do want to show you what's going on with the rest of the market today. Look at this. Bitcoin looks like it's broken its resistance. Could possibly be heading up. You know, it might have bottomed. I had a target around 58. It hit 59 and a half. Okay, right over here. This blue line was my target for it. Came down here and looks like it might have bounced. You know, if you go in a 4 hour, I talked about this resistance line, and it has taken it out. Now, if we get this Fibonacci off here, show you something here. Right here, the 70,000 level, going to be a major area for it. Okay, 65 and a half is where it's run into a little bit of resistance now. But if this is a three wave starting here, all right, you got a 1-2 started. Let's see here. You know, it looks like the 1-2 has started right here. 1-2, wave 3. You know, I don't know where it's going to go. 4 and 5. But we'll see. Okay, wave the 70,000 up here is a major resistance area. But Bitcoin looking pretty decent. All right, we got the daily RSI heading up on it right here, turning up. So so far so good. Looks like possible bottom has come in. We'll see. You know, if it gets rejected here, what is this, 65 and a half, and starts rolling over, then I'd be looking for the target down here. But if it breaks through the 65 and a half and 70, this correction could be over. All right, now I'm thinking it probably is, looking at some of these other charts, looking at Rndr. You know, if you take it from right there, you know, hit a 618 and a 702 perfectly. It looks beautiful. That's a perfect pullback. Looks like it could be done. All right. I'm going to show you some RSIs here, and we'll see if it's heading up. You know, if you don't know how to do this stuff, guys, we have over 200 members. I can't believe it. That's so incredible. 22 hours of videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach how to do this stuff, the charting, and a link to our Discord where we do a lot of trading. So if that's something that interests you, please come join us. We would love to have you. It's only 15 bucks. You need to know how to price targets for your tokens, guys. You have to know where you're looking to sell. If you don't, I'm telling you, that's what costs people money in this market every single time. If you don't know where to get rid of it, the top comes in and starts rolling over. You say, oh, it's going to go back up, and then it keeps rolling over. It's going to go back up. No. You hold it through the next bull run because you're back down to break even, or you're in a negative. You know, and then you're waiting for the next run. Happens to a ton of people. Everybody makes money in a bull run. It's hard to keep it. All right, now, as far as the RSIs go, let's take a look here. Let's get this fib off here. I apologize if you can hear the wind in the background. I'm getting some terrible wind in a bad storm area today. The weekly RSI is trying to turn back up. We got our daily. The daily's bullish, heading up. Okay, and the 3-day and the 5-day. You got your 3-day. Just turned bullish. Okay, heading up. That's beautiful. Yeah, this thing looks great. We got the 5-day just turning up also. So looks like this is probably over. We got our first green candle on a 5-day, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in a month. First green candle on a 5-day in a month. Okay, so looks like this thing is ready to head to the upsides. The target for a fifth wave on Rndr, all right, would be up at 1850. All right, and where are we at now? $8. All right, that would be a let's see what kind of move that would be here. Let's measure this out. That's a nice move from right where we're at. Well, there you go. You're talking about roughly over 100% move. Okay, up to $18. So keep an eye on that. The key levels to watch to break through. All right, these are the areas that more than likely you're going to have some kind of rejection, or it's going to pause out for a minute. 618 to the 702, right through here. I'm going to leave that on there for the next video. So we can keep an eye on that. But right up through here, right around $11 to $12. that area there is where you're going to watch after. We bust through 1225, all right, then 1852 would be the next target up there. Right around there. I'm probably not exactly on these, but pretty close. All right, so watch for Rndr to start getting up through here, run into here, maybe a little bit of a pullback, and then finally a breakthrough and up. That's what I'd be watching for out of this thing. But right now, everything looks great. All right. Please hit the like and subscribe, guys. Consider becoming a member. We would love to have you. Like I said, over 200 members. I can't believe it. So learn how to chart. At least, if half that stuff in the video sticks in your head, you're going to be fine. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.